What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be creating a cartoon illustration of Vecna from Stranger Things Season 4. For today's lesson we'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker. Let's start in the center of our page with the top edge of the brow. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're just going to curve this in and then up. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and come in the opposite direction. Let's add a series of folds across the top of the eye. Starting back over on the left, go out, and then bend that up. I'm just going to mirror this over on the right side. Let's bend the top of the brow, starting from the side, go out toward the top, and then we'll add a small fold. Let's bring this down along the side of the eye, going out and then down. Let's tuck the bottom of the eye in underneath. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the eye, coming down, just pull that up towards the inside of the brow. And then connect the brow with another curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Now I'm going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting on the top left, draw a half circle, coming down and then up on the inside. Let's trace the inside of the eye, coming down and then back up. And then we'll fill in the top of the eye. Let's add a small fold underneath, starting on the outside, come down and bend that in. And we'll add another fold across the bottom of the eye. Come down and then bend that out. Now I'm going to place the nose in between the eyes. Starting underneath the brow, start with a point. And here we're going to curve this down and out toward the left and right side. Now let's pull this back in towards the center, leaving a gap. Down and in. And then from the left side, go up and bend that back in towards the center. Let's fill the inside of the nose. Now I want to add a ridge across the top of the nose. Starting over on the left side, curve this down and then out, just around the side of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting back over on the left, start with a curve coming down and then up. And we'll bend down the corners of the mouth. Go back to the center, step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now you want to move out to the side and draw on the cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. Just going to curve this down and then just bend that in. Let's line this up on the right, coming down and then in. Let's go back over towards the left side and close off the bottom of the head. So I'm going to bend this down, come in underneath the mouth, go across and bring that back up on the right. Now I want to add some wrinkles underneath the cheekbones. Start from the inside, step out, curve in and then down. Then we'll step out and do that again. And then we'll add some wrinkles coming up from the mouth. Starting on the top left, curve this up and out, aiming towards the cheeks. Come down towards the corner and draw a shorter curve. Let's add one going straight up the middle. Let's add another fold along the outside of the eye. Coming down and then in. Now I'm going to leave a gap on the side of the head and draw on the top. Let's start over on the left side, step up, curve the top of the head going all the way up toward the top and just round that out. Pull this around and just bring that down on the right side. Let's tuck the ears along the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step up, I'm going to round this out and then pull that back in. Now we're going to add some spots across the top of the brow. Starting from the left side, start with a small circle, I just want to vary the size of these circles, working our way across towards the right. And move over and do the same thing. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. Let's start with those large veins across the neck. Starting over on the left, curve this in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. I'm going to step out and draw that same curve going down the side. Let's go back up to the top left, round this out, and pull that in. And we'll step out and do that again. Just pulling this in towards the side of the body. Let's go underneath on the left side, curve the body going out and then down towards the hips. Now we're going to add a curve in the center of the body for the lower edge of the chest. Let's go in between the hips towards the center, step down and add a curve going up and then down. Now we're going to add a large vein across the left leg, starting from the top hip, come down, and just pull that up in the middle. Let's go back to the hip, step up, so then trace that curve going all the way around, and then back up on the right. Let's go to the bottom of this curve, we're going to add another one, coming down, and then up towards the side, round up the side, come across, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's draw the inside edge of the leg underneath, starting right here, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel. Then we'll round out the bottom of the foot, going out towards the first toe. Let's pull that toe going up and in. Let's draw the inside edge of the right leg. Starting here, we're going to start with a short curve coming down, and then we'll draw another vein going across. Just pull that up, aiming towards the hip, and we'll just close this off. Let's add some thickness to the vein, going all the way around the inside, follow that curve going up, and just tuck that in behind the hip. And we'll draw the inside of the leg coming down towards the heel, just lining this up. Round out the bottom of the foot, going out towards the first toe. Curve the toe going up and in. Let's add one more toe on the outside. We'll step up, curve out and up. Pull the foot going up and then in. Now we're going to close off the outside of the leg. Starting out here, curve this out and down in behind. Continue that curve on top of the foot. Now let's move back up to the top and draw the outside of the arms. From the top, we step out, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. Let's go back to the inside of the body, step down, curve around, and just pull that up. Now we're going to curl around the thumb. Going up, pulling this down, round up the thumb, go back up, and we'll add the palm. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the side of the thumb with a half oval. Do that again, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now you want to add one more vein across the inside of the arm. From the top of this line, step down, curve out, and then bend that in. And then from the outside of the arm, we're going to follow that same curve going all the way around and then in towards the side of the body. Now going to the bottom finger, curve the palm coming down and then up across the wrist. Step down, curve the arm coming in and then up towards the side. Now we're going to layer those large cords coming out from behind the body. Let's start underneath the arm on the left. Start with the curve coming down and then out. And step down, I'm just going to add some thickness, just following that same curve along the bottom. Let's go to the top of the shoulder, draw another one going out, and then up. Step down, and again, just adding some thickness. Now we're going to add one more across the side of the arm. Let's start on the left, going out, and then bending that up. And then we'll do that one more time, across the bottom, coming in, behind the hand. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Vecna. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.